Let's take a look at the same example. We're just simply going to pass a name from the home page to the second page. When we look at the code, you can see we have a text editing controller. We have our button that's just simply navigating, but it's not doing anything yet. So how do we get a name from point A to point B without using a static variable sitting in memory? Well, we're going to use what's called a material page route. Let's go ahead and cancel this out. And let's say navigator.push. Notice how that has a different syntax, and it's actually a future. Let's go push, and we want to push the context. Now the route. This is a little bit interesting here. Let's go ahead and put a semicolon there so we don't forget. We want a new material page route, and this takes a builder. Whenever you see the word builder, think function. We want to make an actual function here. So let's put that down so we can see what we're doing. We say build context context. We're going to import that second page. Now, everything should be working as normal. The problem we have here is, well, we want to pass this. So now we have to modify our second page. Let's go into our second page, and we're going to need to update, you guessed it, the constructor. Let's actually just grab these. So, as we've seen before with widgets, we're just taking that and pushing it right through all the way down into the state. Now, we need to actually give it the information. Let's go ahead and do a full restart on this just to make sure. There we go. And let's click next. As you can see, it says, "Hello, Brian." So we've seen two of these so far. Which is the correct way? There really isn't one. Personally, I prefer using global state. It's clean, simple, easy to use. And when you use a constructor like this, it's very stylized, meaning you have to stick with what you build. And if you reuse this in other applications, you could potentially break your code. So don't do that. While this isn't a bad way of doing it, it's not the best way of doing it.